Gastech 2024. The world's largest event for the natural gas, LNG, hydrogen, low-carbon solutions, and climate technology industry. 17 September 20th, 2024 in Houston. Gastech is pleased to announce Dr. Khalifa Rajab Abdulsadek, Minister of Oil and Gas, Government of National Unity, Libya, will be speaking at the Gastech Strategic Conference. He will join global ministers and senior-level policymakers to discuss meaningful strategies to address urgent priorities including geopolitics, economic priorities, energy security, and national roadmaps to net zero. The Gastech Strategic Conference is set to accelerate a shared global vision and address the energy industry's biggest challenges on energy security, affordability, accessibility, and sustainability. Gastech, taking place from 17 to 20 September in Houston, presents over 1,000 speakers across 10 conference programs and showcases over 800 exhibiting companies. Book a delegate pass. https://bit.ly/3wgpfh0. Navigate specialist areas on the Gastech exhibition show floor. Gastech 2024 in Houston will provide a global platform for businesses to seek out the latest strategies and cutting-edge innovations from industry leaders, decision-makers, and financiers from across the energy value chain. Specialist exhibitions include Gastech Hydrogen, accelerating hydrogen's role in the global energy mix. Gastech Climate Tech, decarbonizing the energy value chain. Gastech Shipping and Marine, investing in LNG infrastructure and decarbonizing the marine value chain. Discover 800 exhibiting companies spanning 5 exhibition halls at Gastech.